In Focus Reader Book for Class 7. Chapter 7, The Weather Forecast. Read these lines and answer the questions, only answers given below. A. Harris said these words to J. B. The speaker and the listener were angry with each other because they woke up late. C. George complained that they would not get on the water till after 12 since it was already 9 o'clock and the three men needed to get ready and have breakfast before beginning their trip. Though A. George said these words to Harris and J. B. George wanted to shave before going into the city. A. When Harris and J told George that he would have to go into the city without shaving, George said that it would be ridiculous to go into the city without looking presentable. 13. A. Jay and his friends said these words when they saw people going out even though the weather forecast had predicted heavy showers. B. They refers to the people who were passing the house in wagons and coaches, where Jay was staying while on a holiday. These people appeared to be jolly and merry as the sun shone and there was not a single cloud to be seen. C. The people would come home soaked as Jay and his friends had read the weather report which had predicted heavy showers. B. Answer these questions, only answers given below. A. Mrs. Poppets, the landlady, woke up Jay at nearly 9 o'clock in the morning. Jay then woke up Harris, who told Jay that he thought Jay wanted to wake up at 6 o'clock. Jay then replied that Harris was supposed to have woken him up, to which Harris replied that he could not do that because Jay had not woken him up. Though George was still sleeping, although he had been the one to ask his friends what time they should be woken up, Jay also felt angry because while he himself was awake, his friend was asleep. 13. Jay and Harris forgot about their quarrel. They hurried across to where George was sleeping, and throwing the clothes off him, shouted in his ear that it was 9:45. 4. When the three friends finished dressing, they remembered that they had packed their toothbrushes, the brush and comb in the bag, and so they had to go downstairs to look for them in the bag. After that, George remembered that his shaving set was also in the bag, but Jay and Harris told him that he would have to go to the city without shaving because they were not going to unpack the bag again for him. 5. Montmorency, the dog, had invited two other dogs to come and say goodbye to him. The three dogs whiled away their time by fighting on the doorstep. Jay felt that the weather forecast always predicted exactly what happened on the previous day or the day before that. Not just that, it predicted exactly the opposite of what the weather was going to be like on a particular day. 7. On a holiday in late autumn, the author took the weather report in the local newspaper seriously. It predicted heavy showers and so he and his friends did not go on a picnic and stayed indoors, waiting for the rain. Many people, however, went out and had fun because the sun was shining and it was a grand day. The friends stayed at home hoping that it would rain and ruin the holiday of those who had gone out. However, it was really their holiday that was ruined.